Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My Islamic brothers and my Islamic sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Muhammad Saklan and welcome back to our Alham Network channel. Viewers, this channel is dedicated to Islamic videos and I'm honored to have you all join me inshallah. Before watching this video, viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Dear viewers, many ulama of our times, actually more ulama, are interpreting Surah Isra as being one of the sign of Allah of Judgment Day. This is verse number 4 of Surah Isra. Viewers, follow along. There are very powerful verses we conveyed and decreed to the children of Israel. You shall cause fasad in this world twice, and you shall reach a degree of great haughtiness. Interestingly enough, Allah uses the same adjective for Pharaoh. So Allah is saying the Bani Israel will have two periods of might and izzah. Now viewers, that they will abuse, okay, we shall send against you an army will come, a group will come against you. They have great military might. So viewers, they are not a weak nation and they managed to go and even into your houses. They are going to go in all the way, destroy all the way to your houses. And this was a promise that indeed took place. Now then we gave you back a new chance and we caused you to have a victory over your enemies and we gave you blessings. You know, had a civilization, children, wealth, and we made you powerful in numbers, means your manpower or your strength or your military might, all of this is allowed here, right? So you became a military nation, so you became a mighty nation. Ya Bani Israel, if you do good, it's only for yourself. You will do good. But if you do evil, it will be used against you when the second and final time, because there shall not be a third time of power. Ya Bani Israel, Allah has decreed you you shall come to power and be a civilization twice. The first one, it is a done deal, and the second one, when it shall happen. So viewers, Allah will send another group of people and they will cause your faces to become sore. After they were bearing, after they were beaming with pride, they will now become scowling with anger. Now viewers, here listen to this. And they shall enter the mosque and they shall enter the masjid. Which masjid? Ya Aqsa, as they entered it the previous time, and they will destroy whatever they had taken over with your ulu, whatever you had done, whatever you had built, and whatever had been constructed with your ulu, all of it will be destroyed and taken away. Now viewers, here is our today video. May Allah gives us the ability to understand the religion of Islam and follow it. Thank you so much for your watching. Keep supporting and stay connected with us for more Islamic videos.